I've been here 2.5 years, and I've already seen where I have the ability to grow and go up the ladder. If you're looking for growth or new opportunities, everyone's always willing to listen. Your managers are there to support you and help you reach your goals.
For me, I've been here for 15 years and I love it here. I grew my career throughout different opportunities that they have here. I started as a CNA, became LPN, an RN, became a charge nurse, a supervisor. I became a certified rehabilitation nurse and a certified wound care nurse through the support of my management and the experience that I got from here working as a nurse.
What I love most about being a nurse at Brooks is that I've had so many opportunities to just do what I want to do. You have that independence and you have that freedom to do the things you feel you need to do, but you also have the support to do the things you want to do. So if you feel that your patients are doing something and you want to be a big advocate for that, you have support for that. I think those are some of the things that have kept me here for so long.
Brooks offers a lot of continuing education that I was able to take advantage of, and for that I'm thankful for because it helps me professionally. You know, that's one of the reasons why I love staying here at Brooks, because they're so helpful of me being, developing me to be a better nurse than I was yesterday to today.